Hey there, fellow students. Board exams are around the corner, and you're probably feeling the heat. Today, I'm going to share some killer tips on how to study maths in just 10 days. Let's dive right in. Day 1 to 3. Understand the syllabus. First things first, get hold of your syllabus and list out all the topics. Prioritize them based on your strengths and weaknesses. Focus more on the areas you're less confident in. Day 4 to 6. Practice, practice, practice now. Grab your textbooks and start solving problems. Begin with the easier ones to build confidence, then tackle the tougher ones. Make sure to time yourself. It's all about speed and accuracy in the exam. Day 7. Revise and reflect. It's revision time. Go over the concepts and problems you've solved. Identify any mistakes and understand where you went wrong. Reflection helps cement your knowledge. Day 8. Mock tests. Take a full-length mock test under exam conditions. This will help you manage your time and reduce exam day anxiety. Review your answers and understand the areas that need improvement. Day 9. Focus on formulas and theorems. Spend this day memorizing important formulas, theorems, and shortcuts. Create flashcards or summary notes for quick revision. This will be a lifesaver during the exam. Day 10. Stay calm and relax. Finally, it's crucial to stay calm. Get a good night's sleep and eat well. Avoid cramming at the last minute, trust the preparation you've done. And there you have it. Follow this 10-day plan, and you'll be ready to ace your maths exam. Remember, confidence is key. Good luck and go crush those exams. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.